Hi you guys, welcome back to Brittany, Olivia, and in today's video we're going to be making fried cauliflower wings. First, as you see, we have our water in a separate bowl, and this is our flaxseed. This is going to be our replacement for our egg, so we're going to add that in there, you guys, and then we're just going to give it a stir. And once we stir it up, we're just going to let it settle, you guys. So as you can see, we're stirring it and we're stirring it. And remember, this is water and flaxseed. I know I used 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, you guys. I just put the water in there and then just do it, you guys, and just stir it up. Again, you guys, this is our replacement for our egg, so we're just gonna let that thicken up a little bit, y'all. Now we're going to set that to the side. As you can see, we have our flour mixture here, you guys. Just put some flour in a bowl, just as you would do chicken, and put whatever seasoning you want in here. I added salt, pepper, seasonal, onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne, just whatever you prefer. And then next, I'm going to bring back my flaxseed mixture, and I'm going to put some hot sauce in it. Yes, I'm going to put hot sauce in it. If you want to put your hot sauce in a separate bowl, you can do that. I'm just putting it in this bowl so I can have everything in one bowl. I'm trying not to dirty up so many dishes, y'all, okay? And this is just going to give it that hot sauce flavor. So if you want to put it into the bowl, feel free, you guys. And then we're just going to give that a stir. And if you're still watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys, and please share this video. So now you just want to stir it up, and you guys, I love spicy food, I love hot food. As I said, I added cayenne to my flour mix, but I'm adding in some more hot sauce, maybe a little bit too much. Maybe it's a little bit too much, but is there really a such thing as too much hot sauce? So now, as you can see, I have my pot here. I'm finna to pour the oil in my pot. You do not need a lot of oil. I'm using canola oil for this recipe. Feel free to use whatever kind of oil you like. Right now I'm working on getting a smaller pot so I can use even less oil. But yes, you do not need a lot of oil. So once you put the oil in there, you guys, you want to let that heat up. But for me personally, I like to dip everything first because I'm a slow dipper, so I don't want to let my oil heat up and end up burning because I'm taking forever. But you just want to dip it in the flaxseed mix, then go back and dip it in the flour, just how you do chicken, you guys. Then dip it back in. If you want to only dip it once, you can, but dip it back in and then dip it back in the flour. And then for me personally, I like to set it to the side. And then I like to repeat the process for everything else, you guys. So as you can see, I'm just tossing that in the flour. And you want to shake off the excess, you guys. It's very important. And you want to repeat the process, dipping it in the flaxseed mixture, then going back to the flour mixture, you guys. I think I did every one twice, but that's not nothing you have to do. And then once I get done doing all of that, my oil should be heated up. And now I'm just going to drop them in there. Then I'm going to put them in one by one, of course, you guys. And I'm just going to let those start cooking. And again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. As you can see, they're frying up now. And when you need to turn them over, feel free to turn them over until they get golden brown, how you like them. I do suggest you not to cook them too long, you guys, because you don't want the cauliflower to get soggy on the inside. That is what we don't want. So just cook them to their golden brown to your preference, and again, flip them if need be, you guys.
As you can see, we are plated. I have my fruit, my strawberries, my blueberries, my banana, my waffle, and my chicken, y'all. Yes, well, cauliflower wings. Got a little bit excited there, you guys. But here's my chicken and waffles. If you want the vegan waffle recipe, just let me know down in the comments, you guys. This was so good and fulfilling, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. Just look at it. Look at it. This model for us real quick. Look at it though. Look at it. Anyways, y'all, I'm rambling. Like, comment, and subscribe. I am out. Bye, you guys.